Taxes can feel confusing, intimidating, and honestly a little scary. But they do not have to be. In this video, I will explain taxes in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no complicated math. Just the basics you actually need to understand how taxes work in the United States. Think of taxes as a shared contribution. When you earn money, a portion of it goes to the government. That money is used to pay for public services. Things like roads, schools, police, firefighters, and national defense. Taxes are how a country funds itself. In the U.S., taxes mainly come from income. Income means money you earn. This can be from a job, a business, freelancing, investments, or side hustles. If money comes to you, the government usually wants to know about it. There are three main levels of taxes in the United States: federal taxes, state taxes, and local taxes. Not everyone pays all three, but most people pay at least federal taxes. Federal income tax goes to the U.S. government. This tax is the same across all states. It helps fund national programs like Social Security, Medicare, and defense. Everyone who earns above a certain amount pays federal income tax. State income tax depends on where you live. Some states charge income tax. Some states charge very little. And some states, like Texas and Florida, charge no state income tax at all. Local taxes are charged by cities or counties. These are often smaller amounts. They help fund local services like public transportation, libraries, and local schools. Not every city has local income tax. Now, let us talk about tax brackets. This is where most beginners get confused. Tax brackets do not mean all your income is taxed at one rate. Only portions of your income are taxed at different rates. Here is a simple example. If you earn $40,000 a year, you do not pay the highest tax rate on all $40,000. Lower portions of your income are taxed at lower rates. Only the top portion is taxed at the higher rate. This system is called progressive taxation. It means the more you earn, the higher the tax rate on your additional income, not on your entire income. This is a very important distinction. Next, let us talk about payroll taxes. These are taxes taken directly from your paycheck. They fund Social Security and Medicare. You will often see them listed as separate deductions on your pay stub. If you are employed, your employer automatically withholds these taxes. That means they take the money out before you even receive your paycheck. If you're self-employed, you pay these taxes yourself. This is called self-employment tax. Now, let us talk about deductions. Deductions reduce your taxable income. That means they lower the amount of income you are taxed on. Common deductions include student loan interest and retirement contributions. There is also something called the standard deduction. Most people use this. It is a fixed amount the government allows you to subtract from your income. This reduces your tax bill automatically. Credits are different from deductions. Tax credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Dollar for dollar. Credits are very powerful and can significantly lower your tax bill. Common tax credits include the child tax credit and education credits. Some credits are refundable. That means you can get money back even if you owe no taxes. Others only reduce what you owe. At the end of a year, you file a tax return. This is a report of your income, taxes paid, deductions, and credits. You send this to the IRS. The deadline is usually April 15th. If you paid more taxes than you owed, you get a refund. This is not free money. It's simply your own money being returned to you. If you paid too little, you owe the difference. Many people think a big refund is a good thing, but it really means you gave the government an interest-free loan. Ideally, your refund should be small. That means your withholding was accurate. You can file taxes yourself using online software, or you can hire a tax professional. For simple situations, software is usually enough. For businesses or complex income, professional help can be worth it. Avoid common mistakes. Always report all income. Keep records of expenses and documents. And never ignore IRS letters. Small problems become big ones when ignored. Taxes do not have to be overwhelming. Once you understand the basics, everything becomes clearer. Income, brackets, deductions, credits. Learning taxes is not just about compliance. It is about control. The more you understand, the better financial decisions you can make. Knowledge reduces stress and saves money. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like this video. Subscribe for more simple financial explanations. And remember, real wealth is built quietly, one smart decision at a time.